got you another bed because I don't think you would fit like comfortably on the sofa. So we got you
another bed.
Okay, we got you another bed. Have you had you can have ice cream. That's good for you.
You might want to be careful.
That was gentle.
No, I was. I'll put that on the table. I'll throw it out later.
Lena's always judging. It's okay.
Who?
Lena's always judging.
No. No judging.
It was gentle. I waited for her hair to be out of it because if not, I would have yanked her hair out. So I was very gentle.
One thing about the US that India did not have, like, I was always worried about like Wi-Fi and internet, and there was never any like good coverage in India. Like you could lose it very easily there, but here wherever you go, you'll get either Wi-Fi or
yeah,
good
but I
coverage.
actually never use public Wi-Fi's.
Normally it's fine here. It's fine. Just for like small things like Instagram and stuff, it's fine. Like I like to
they hack your Instagram.
They can't. I have double authenticators for everything. Or whatever you're feeling. That's the best part about New York is like there's literally all foods from all countries and everything in the same place.
That same to the Netherlands too, because the Dutch, they don't have such big, Dutch kitchen and traditional like foods and recipes and stuff. So that's very common in the Netherlands that we have all kind of restaurants. But not the best ones, if you ask me.
No, I get it. Like sometimes, like so for me, like I'm so used to Indian food, right? I love spice. So
That's something that I'm really looking forward to.
you like spice?
No, I want to try Indian food, so I hope you're gonna.
I mean, I end up doing literally every recipe that we have. I end up adding like a hint of spice to it. So just it's.
I do like spices. I also like bland food, but I also like spicy. So.
I mean, like we made what's it called? I made tacos the other day, and I made it the Indian style where I add like a hint of like curry powder to it and everything. After that, I can't eat normal tacos now because I'm just like, I just wish it was like this always.
Yeah.
But that's a problem. But like the thing is over here, what they do is in Indian restaurants, because we don't get the spices that are there in India, like they're not the authentic ones. So, and people don't like spice that much. So it's like, it's not like as spicy as it should be.
Yes.
So like, a lot of the times it's dulled down and it's not exactly like the best Indian food that you'll get here.
Yeah, I know. It's like the same shit with the guyash. Do you know guyash? It's a traditional Hungarian food and it's common like all around the world.
Yeah.
But everywhere, any other countries I went and tried Hungarian goulash, I don't know what the hell is that. That's not fucking guyash. Yeah, it's like tomato soup or something, but no.
Yeah, I feel like
And that's why they also
yeah.
don't have the authentic ingredients.
Yeah.
They don't know what to put in it.
In the city, at least, you'll see people dressed up in all types of clothing. So it's like, it's either like really fashionable when it's like Fashion Week is here in New York, then everyone's like really dressed up that week.
That's so cool.
But like you'll see like literally the models walking around in the city, and they're like really dressed up in heels and like I'm like, how the fuck are you guys doing this with like heels in the city? Because all I want to wear in the city is like sneakers.
Seriously, I haven't even got heels.
Like it's not worth it unless I'm going like even to a club. I don't feel like wearing heels there. Like I would rather just wear like plain flat sandals and that's it. Like.
And I was teenager and I started to experiment with heels. I bought a lot and I always wanted to wear them for every occasion, everywhere. But now a few years passed and I'm like,
yeah, they're just not worth it after some time.
Absolutely not.
They look pretty,
And
but they're
right
not
now
worth it.
too, I have so many heels and never wear them.
I mean,
never.
I think the only thing I've worn are like platforms because they're like easier to wear than the other ones that hurt you.
Oh. Hey.
Left my earrings somewhere.
You left your what?
My ears. Oh, they're there.
What are you guys doing? Behave. We are in public. Oh my god, I'm crossing American streets! Sorry. I might have some moments like that. Hey, getting hit by an American bus!
This restaurant's a cute restaurant. I think so far.
rotate steak and I'm okay.
Finally.
Yeah.
Let up the vlog squad.
No smoking, no loitering, no kids allowed to fucking play here. What the hell? Like a camp, like a camp, that's so weird.
23. Okay.
Good morning. First morning in New York. Everybody's sleeping, so I'm gonna try to be quiet over here, but I do need to tell you guys everything. Story time. New York is so pretty. It's so much prettier than in the movies. And yeah, I have no roommates, 2 kitties. They are really sweet. And well, yeah, yesterday I also went to a Walmart, first time in my life, and I have a dress too from Walmart. Ain't it cute? It's a cute little dress. Anyway, I also want to check the Target. We also went to a Cuban, Colombian restaurant. There I only had fries. I love any kind of food. I love trying new stuff. It was just that I had no appetite literally because of the nervousness from the flight earlier and the travels and everything. And I was eating on the plane too. So yeah. Today we have secret plans for Casey's birthday. And so we're gonna go to Dave & Buster's, and it's like an arcade kind of place, and they have a really cute outfit there too. And we're gonna explore the city, of course, and I will record anything I can.
It's a little hot though, I'll keep it on the table. I know, if we need more sugar, but normally this is sweet, so.
What are you doing?
Looking at Twitter. Trying to find toxic tweets to laugh at.
Which is your lucky, which is mine?
Whichever you want, they're the same thing.
I saw.
That's why I was like, I might as well turn on these because we'll get like really hot. When you drink coffee now, you feel extra hot.
Some people say that if you drink like hot drinks in the heat, it actually helps you, but I don't believe it. I tried it and it never helped me.
Well, it depends if you're having it out in the open, in the sun. Like if it's like really hot outside and you have a cold drink, it's good. But then you get just more thirsty.
Waking up early, I'm having breakfast, then I should move to New York. So different lifestyle. Our generation looks really young. It's really hard to tell.
I don't know, it's either genetics or otherwise, but like, I think so, maybe. But like, if you see like I don't know why, but like my mom would always say this, like, I think it's like Asian/European roots, like you have that like, the youngness to you, but if you see like girls here, who are my age, they look their age.
The Asian don't raise it.
Americans look their
Isn't
age.
it just the makeup?
I don't know if it's the makeup, but they look older, like, cause there's a girl who I know who's like 28 and something, and she looks 28, like, and she's like, I don't know how the fuck you do this, because like,
I have the same when I'm walking in the street and somebody looks at my age and I'm like, why do I look like a child?
I mean, I used to get very annoyed because like what happened was whenever I go to the bar, they always ID me still because I still look like a kid. But also like the red hair throws everyone off every time because they, one, can't figure out my nationality, and two, they can't figure out my age. So it's like, it's great, but at the same time, it's like, okay, I'm tired of like people asking for my ID, man. I just want to drink.
all jump at the same time.
No. Okay. This is an old building.
Wait, where did you take the picture? Oh.
I thought you were gonna like do it inside. I was like, alright, cool. Why not me and Elena? Then we'll do a timer picture of all of us.
Okay, you can be on the picture.
Got it.
God.
1, 2.
Wait, but the poses are okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like this?
Is it cute?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, stay. I change it to 3 seconds. And we do a couple more.
Oh, that's gonna.
That's gonna be good. And Giz hasn't changed.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
the same in all the pictures.
Look at the pictures. Trust me, they changed.
Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, let's go. Okay, one thing is weird that they don't trim the trees. What the hell?
It's because it's mostly like nature grown. They're not city property. Elena, you get to do the American thing of calling the bus.
So it's my time. Hey, you ruined my time. I was supposed to do that. Hey. I'm still out of breath from this little running I did here. Oh, and by the way, this camera makes also very pretty pictures, but I never make pictures with it because I bought it for vlogging. And I find it ridiculous because every time I want a picture, I take my phone out. But why?
It's a habit.
It's fun.
Yes, with alcohol.
No, it doesn't have the alcohol in this one.
I still want one though. Oh shit, I hate this. How do we call this? Escalator?
You don't like it?
No, I'm scared. I use it so often and I'm keep being scared. I hate it.
You got this. There's a lot of these here.
Well, it's better if I wear boots or something. I'm still very uncomfortable stepping on it. But the fear I have actually is that it will eat my shoe or something and it catch my hair then under my face and it rip off my face.
I think you watched like Final Destination before that.
I did watch that
Yeah.
thing. It happened in there?
Yeah. Where the girl like gets sucked into the escalator and
Oh
then
my
see her
God.
tongue like running around.
I don't remember, but yeah, let me see. So that's the thing. It can happen, right?
No, it can't happen.
Oh.
But it's a good phobia to have.
Can you hold it for a second?
Maybe get it with milk. I get it with coconut milk because.
I'm recording my feet.
Better than your dick.
And can I get a grande crumble frap with no whipped cream?
Okay, we don't have to cook something like that.
Just ruined my whole afternoon, but you know.
Okay, we don't have to cook Yeah, I think that's like the 42nd is more than.
They're just starting a campaign against Starbucks.
You wanted to see Target? I told you this is like the biggest one here.
Oh my god, it's so cool here.
Yeah, so this is like center, like this is where all the Broadway shows are.
This is where we went to see or near here. This is where we went to see a Phantom of the Opera.
I wanna see the Wicked because that's Ariana's favorite.
I think. I don't know if you'll able to get the Wicked tickets, but we'll see.
Target me first time in my life. Yay, let's go.
You got this. The Malfoy son is the good one.
I always had a crush on Malfoy.
What size are we?
Malfoy in the first chapter is the good one.
And Harry Potter's good as a bad guy. One, two, cheese. Cheese. Yeah.
It's not spicy. Not at all.
Yeah, it's just a
YOLO.
Happy birthday! I'm really like so close.
What the fuck?
They told me not to record, but what the fuck are they gonna do?